Shalom, everyone, and welcome to a new consonant. The new consonant is letter KOF. KOF. Okay, great. And this is how we spell the letter KOF. KOF, KOF. So we call it KOF or KOF. And the same letters equals to Curious George. Do you remember about that cartoon? Great cartoon for kids. Okay, so let's take a look and read together. We are familiar with colors, and if you have been with me 9 months already, it's been already 9 months, friends. So I'm very happy. So let's read together. Ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. And this is a verb, and it means to read, to read. And it's from Pa'al group. How do we know it's Pa'al? How? We know it's Pa'al because we see Holam Vav in this position. Okay, and we know it's a verb because we see Lamed. And all the verbs in infinitive, they start with Lamed. Let's read together. Likro. Likro. To read. To read. This is how we conjugate verb likro. We conjugate it in the same way we did with lilmod. Okay? So we have to erase lamed, erase holam vav in order to find shoresh. Shoresh is the root. Okay? So once we have shoresh, we just need to change holam vav to the second position. So masculine singular, ani, ata, u, corre. To the feminine singular, we need to add tav. Okay? We need to add tav. Why we need to add tav to this one? Because it's a regular pa'al. It's regular pa'al. So that's why we add tav in the same way we did to lilmod. Lomed, lomedet. Le'ehol, to eat. Ohel, ohelet. Le'ehov, to love. Ohev, ohevet. So it's easy. Once you know it's pa'al and it's a regular pa'al, then you know that you have to add tav at the end. And then to the plural, masculine, we add yod mem, and plural, feminine, we add holam vav tav. Okay? So plural, masculine, korim, plural, feminine, korot. Okay? Corre, corret, korim, korot. Okay. So this verb is also used to ask, what's your name? We have here in Hebrew the question, what's your name? What is very different is the preposition. The preposition will change if we ask this question to a man or to a woman. Okay? So in this case, this lady is asking the guy, what's your name? So she says, איך קוראים לך? איך קוראים לך? We read here קוראים. קוראים, it's to read. Okay, it's to read, but it's also to call someone, not by phone. Okay, it is for this use. So we ask, איך קוראים לך? But what happens if the boy wants to ask the girl? The preposition must change. And we ask, איך קוראים לך? איך קוראים לך? Okay? This preposition will be the same for female. We will have this ending for masculine, ha, for masculine. Please record this on your head, okay? Ha will be always for masculine, and ech will be feminine. This is like this is a tip, okay? It's a tip because it will be the same pattern on many things. So when you listen, ha, you know it will be masculine. And when you listen, you know it will be feminine. Okay, so just keep that in your mind. And we have something very nice. If you are familiar with the Bible, there's a special book that's called Habakkuk, right? So here we have the name of the prophet in Hebrew, and it reads Habakkuk. Habakkuk. And the same shoresh, 3 letters, are in the verb to hug. To hug. What are you doing here? Lehabek. Chet, vet, bet, kuf, kuf. Okay? So this is something that I really enjoy from Hebrew. And this verb belongs to piel. It's not pa'al anymore. Why? Pa'al, they will have holam vav, or sometimes shuruk vav in this position. But piel, there's no holam vav. So we know it's piel. But also we know it's piel because of the vowels. E, a, e, lechabek, e, a, e. To cook, it's a piel, and it sounds lebashel, e, a, e. Okay? To talk, it's piel, and it sounds ledaber, ledaber, e, a, e. Pa'al verbs, they don't sound. They sound likro, lilmod, le'ehov, le'ehol. Okay, so it's very different. So that's 2 ways to recognize it's piel. Okay, So let's do the conjugation of a PL verb. We have to find شورش in the same way we did with פעל, okay? So it's very easy because in this case, we only erase lamed. And voila, we have شورش, okay? And we will see شورش here, here, singular and in plural. We'll have شورش. We see the same tav for singular, feminine. We see yod mem for plural, masculine, and holam vav tav for plural, feminine, right? So that's common ground. That's common ground with pa'al, very important. And the difference will be that we need to add mem in the very beginning of the conjugation. Okay, that's the difference. We have mem, 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 mem. Let's read. Ani, ata, u, mechabek, mechabek. Ani, ata, u, mechabek. For a girl, אני, את, היא מחבקת, מחבקת. Plural, masculine, אנחנו, אתם, הם, מחבקים, מחבקים. אנחנו, אתן, הן, מחבקות, מחבקות. Okay. And then I have someone very special. His name is Isaac. He was the son of Abraham. And we have here written the name Isaac. In Hebrew, it reads, it's Hak. It's Hak. The Yod belongs to the future, which will mean he will laugh. Future, future. Yitzhak, Yitzhak. All the future for men will have yod at the beginning, okay? And the verb to laugh, I love this. We have the same shoresh, tzade, tzade, chet, chet, kof, kof. And we know it's a verb. How? How do we know it's a verb? Because we have lamed and we have holam vav. And we know it's a pa'al verb. So the conjugation will be really easy. And it reads litzchok. Litzchok. Ha ha ha. To laugh. To laugh. Okay. Please, homework, it's very important. Write the conjugation of PL. PL. Okay, and we are going to write the letter. This is very simple. Let's do KOF. This is the line of our notebook. It needs to go down, okay? For example, if I write monkey, okay, it will be like that. So that's letter KOF. And the writing, it's very similar. Sometimes, you have it here under the, I am pointing at, KOF. That will be print letter. And script is more like this, like round. That will be the difference. Thank you, friends, for watching the video, and I will wait for homework. Okay?